I'm about to show you 3 easy remote jobs you can do at night from the comfort of your home. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Aaron, and I talk about online jobs and how you can land them. And if you appreciate me doing this type of content, gently tap that like button and let's get into it. Quick disclaimer before we start. These are real platforms, but results will vary. How much you make depends on how many hours you put in. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Still do your own research, apply anyway, and don't give up. Alright, the first job on our list is customer support. So, what is customer support? Simply put, you help people solve problems. A customer buys a product, they have a question, they need help, you answer them. You either chat with them via email or you talk to them via call. And you do all of this from the comfort of your own home. And if you are a call center agent right now, just like me before, you have a huge advantage because call center work is just customer support work from home. You are literally doing what you're supposed to be doing in a call center. No more commuting, no more night shifts in an office. Just you, your laptop, and your internet. I found a customer support role in onlinejobs.ph. The pay is $650 per month. That is around 37,000 pesos per month. And if you are interested in applying for this job, go ahead and click the link in the description and the pinned comment below. It will take you directly to the job listing. Just note that if you don't have any account in onlinejobs.ph, create a free account. It's easy to create that. Just input all your information and you're good to go. All right, job number 2, automation specialist. Now I know that sounds technical. It sounds like a jargon only technical people know. But let me break it down simply for you. Things like sending emails automatically, following up with customers without doing it manually, and setting up workflows so that business run on its own. And your job for this role is just to set this up for them. Think of it like building a machine for them. Once you build that, the system runs by itself. And the business owners pays you a lot of money to build that for them. I found this role in onlinejobs.ph. The role is for full-time, 40 hours a week, and the pay is massive. It's $1,000 to $1,300 per month. That is around 57,000 to 74,000 per month. Now the question is this beginner friendly? No, not really, but here's the good news. You can try a platform called Go High Level for free for 14 days. I dropped the link in the description and the pinned comment below. Use it, explore the platform, learn the automations with it, try to watch YouTubers explain how Go High Level works, and you can learn the basics in just few weeks. And once you know it, you become very valuable to any online business. And this is the first thing I had to learn to get my very first client. And all I had to do is just watch a ton of YouTube tutorials about how Go High Level works. If you want me to make that type of content, go ahead and comment down below so that I can create that content for you next time. And to apply for this job, I'll also drop the link in the pinned comment in the description below so you don't have to search for it. All right, last but not the least, our third job on the list, appointment setter. So what does appointment setter do? Simple. You reach out to potential clients, you start a conversation with them, and book them a call with your sales team. That's it. You're not closing any sale. You are just getting people to show up to the meeting. Think of it like a matchmaker. You connect the right people with the right business. Now, here's why this job is so exciting. I found one on onlinejobs.ph that pays $1,200 to $1,500 per month. That is around 68,000 to 86,000 per month. And on top of that, you earn $150 commission for every sale that closes. So the more appointments you set, the more money you make. This is one of those jobs where your effort directly controls your income. And if you're someone who is good at talking to people, a huge advantage on this role. It's a work from home 40 hours a week, and I just saw it today. It was just posted today. To apply for this job, just click the link in the description below so that you get to the job right away. You don't have to search for it. And again, you do need to have an onlinejobs.ph account to be able to apply for this job. So that's it. 3 jobs you can do at night. at the comfort of your home. So let's go ahead and recap those jobs. The first one is customer support. Second one is automation specialist. The third one is appointment setter. All three remote you can do at the comfort of your home at night. Check the link in the description and the pinned comment below for the links of these three job listings. And if you want to learn Go High Level and try the platform for free, go ahead and click the link in the description and the pinned comment below. And this will give you 14 days free trial. So you'll have a grasp of how Go High Level works and how the automations work. Subscribe if you want more videos about remote jobs, and I'll see you on the next one.